ngasi phong khiba tongan masi phong singdigi amasum thokiba thodo wathok singdigi maru oiba I pausing khongatcharakana Manipur top signal dagi mayamda share tawjage anbada maru oiba pau ama oina lakhacharaga sengdokjaba ai MD Salahuddin Lilong Thoubal district ta leiba aina WhatsApp group amada nupi amagi fi thongdaba video upload tawrubagi dama MMWO Women's Wing na amuk hana tawdanaba warap watem birakpabu aina thagasari matungda asigumba thawdo asi amuk hana tawjararoi haina lebak myam amadi organization sengdoksari ba MD Salahuddin son of Jalaluddin Lilong Tolen Khun Thoubal district haina sengdoksaba kalamdagi lakhachrakana myam da share tawjari amasum makhasa thrakpoina topa khena ba maroiba pau khara myam taminagisi oza mapan action launaba khangan khre Education Minister S Rajendra Lusingba Ministerial team amana ngasisu makha tana school college sing yengsin khibaga loinana school karam daba oza mapan amadi nanti sing staff ama makhoi gi mathakta chap saba action launaba mari leinaba authority da khangan khre minister ngasi yengsin badu da Nambola Higher Secondary School gi oza ani A school women college gi oza ani staff ama amadi L Sanoi College Nambol gi oza manga absent oiramba thengna khibani Education Minister S Rajendra gi khongsat aduda Commissioner Higher and Technical Education M Hare Krishna Director Education U Dr Rangita Bali Waikhom amadi Department gi ati official sing saruyakhi Minister na malum Mega Government High School Nambol Higher Secondary School Oinam Girls Government High School Royal Academy of Law Oinam Thambalmari College Oinam Nambol L Sanoi College amasum ASK Women College Chingshinki Minister amadi mahaki kangbuna ahanbada malo Mega Government High School yengsinbaga loinana school asigi nangna sagalibasing amadi classroom yengsin sajinbagi thabak yengsinki Minister na mai hairoi sing amadi oza sing loinana staff singna wari sanaduna face mask na singba uptana SOP ningthi na ngaknaba pautak pibago loinana oza sing amadi staff sing school sigi campus luna na thamnaba pautak piramki Minister na makhata na Oinam Girls High School amasung Nambol Higher Secondary School yengsin baduda Nambol Higher Secondary School gi attendance register Minister na check tawda oza ani school karamdaba thengnabadagi makhoi gi mathakta chapsabe action lawnaba mari leinaba authority da khanki makhata na Nambol gi A School Women College yingchilubada mahairoi mapung phan school karaktuna class yoramba ubada Minister na apian ba phongdoki Oinam gi Thambalmari College amasum Nambol L Sanoi College ki oina ngasi Student Union Mikhal gi scrutiny pangthoklagasu class normal oina phajana tawri haina Minister na college singasi principal amasum vice principal na phongdorakhi A School Women College ki oina Minister na attendance register check tawbada oza ani amadi nanti sing staff ama college karamdaba thengnabaga loinana makhoi gi mathakta matik sabe action laukhatnaba mari leinaba authority da Minister na khanganki ngasi gi yengsin baduda oinam gi Royal Academy of Law gi oina semester exam pangthoklamba thengnaki exam phamliba mahairoi sing marakta face mask uptaba yawba thengnabadagi Minister na face mask pinaba college staff singda khanganki Minister na college asigi tungan department singsu yengsinki tungda Minister na lusingba kangbu aduna L Sanoi College Nambol yengsilubada oza manga college karamdaba thengnabadagi Minister na mari leinaba authority da makhoi gi mathakta action lawnaba khanganki Panmayabada Education Minister S Rajendra School College amuk hangdokpa horakpadagi hakthengna satuna yengsinbagi thabak sathaduna lakpani mamangda su school college karamdaba oza sing suspend tokiba leikrabani haba pawmus phonari makhasa thrakpoina topa pawamana Sikkim CM gi Facebook page hack tawrurei Sikkim gi Minister Prem Singha tamangi official Facebook page bung khara hack tawruraba matungda kona amuk hana gi phibamda hanjilakre hairi Minister tamangna thadorakiba Facebook post amada hai kanagumba sakhangdaba miwe amana Minister masamak saduna maki official Facebook page adu pungja khara compromise tawruba mali Facebook page adu hack tawduna miwe aduna amang atak kya thokananaba thorang toramani issue adu pungja kharagi matungda mapung fana solve tawkibaga loinana haujikti phibamdu mapung fana laksin mangam kre haba wafam pungdokhi Facebook page hack तौरंबगी थौवोंदुदा चेनरिब मरा लेब मियदु फगतपा ngamnaba akanba thijinbagi thabak sathaba hokre asigumba huran lanaगी थौवों asi kaidonungda ngakpifam thoktaba maralgi matungina chapchaba ain goeba dandi pihangani haki lanai mioi amagi privacy da khut thingjinduna sayet naba amasum wakhal yoeba nungaitaba sing thowaliba mioi khudingma ain gi makhada akanba dandi phangangani aikhoi gi mari lenapo official amasum personal kudimangna Facebook page hack tawbada hakthengna amadi nakoinana senari pa mioi singadu atuba matamda faganaba akan makhongthang paikhat khre haba wafam chief minister Prem Singha tamangna magi Facebook post adu da makhatana phungdoki haba pawmasu ngaji phone gi base phone singda phonari bagaja tharak poina masum loisilak poina atopa maroi ba paw amanamo Haryana gi school amada mahairoi yankhai ga mari COVID-19 positive oiramle Haryana gi Karnal da leiba school amada mahairoi yankhai ga mari COVID-19 positive oirama thengna khre haina health official singna phongdoragli Haryana da mamang sahi gi December thar dagi horaga class 9 dagi 12 phawa tamliba mahairoi singi oina school sing hangdokhi madugi matung tha asigi kun ga mari da class 3 dagi horaga 5 phawbugi oina school sing hangdoktuna mathau toba hon khibani hau khibani thokaba numita Karnal da leiba school amada mahi tamniba mahairoi ahum COVID-19 positive oiba thengnaki madudagi school adudagi mahairoi sing makha tana COVID test tawrubada yankhai ga mari positive oiba thengnarakibani mahairoi yankhai ga mari COVID positive oibagi report phanglaba matung school adugi hostel amasum akhoibasing thingjinkhre loinana containment zone lokthokre haukiba February 2022 da Haryana government na laukthokibagi matung ina karigumba mai loisang singda COVID-19 positive oiba thengnarabadi numit 10 gi oina school adu thingjinbaga loinana sanitize tawgani school adu dagi atopa mi tholakpa yarabasu makha tana manungda mi sangbadi yaroi haina health official singi maikai digi phongdorakli amaromda haukiba January 13 dagi hauraga satakiba COVID vaccination ki matangda sahi nauriba angang singi oinadi karamba matamdagi hauraga COVID vaccine kapkadagi haibado center gi makedigi khangalakpa leitri haiba pawmasu ngasi form ki base function fonari adugo me hojiko indi pawsi matang ase losinjaragi adukana me ngasi sungsoi soidana thabak I paw oi thabaki I paw oiba update me sungsoi soidana ngasi share tawjagani me amada funga minerasi dugo ano ba hadi inkhalagli ba naha singna thabiya ba competitive exam ke ama lai si competitive exam si dagi hujiji form thajin ba yari ba exam gi update pawng tang mem ten tak na sang da bi update pijarake ngak le rakanda do mem adu yengminasi adu fongai minarasi haina Manipur top channel gi make gi request story amasum ngasi nungdaram phonga kaduri ba sipong sing dagi maroi I pawsing la khochara na yari ba makai ngana mem da I pawsing update pi na ba khona jarake minarasi and thank you